morning, guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome. Please make sure to hit the subscribe button, like, and share this video. So, guess what? It's my birthday tomorrow. Yes, sir. And I have a nail appointment at 10, so I'm heading there just now. Let's go. And so, I have arrived at Central House. Morning, guys. It's my birthday. Morning, guys. It's my birthday. It's actually the 7th of November, and I am so happy. I am filled with so much gratitude, and I've been looking forward to this day. And yeah, you know what, I'm not gonna be doing much, but I'm just grateful that I was able to reach this age. You know, it's a privilege, and I thank God for his mercy and his everlasting love. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Let's see what the day has for us. Bye. You know what, guys, on this day I didn't plan anything hectic, but God was like, my child, you're not gonna be indoors and know nothing. I'm gonna bring clients to you. And guess what, I had 2 clients on the day of my birthday. And my other friend was like, Nancy, I got something for you. And she got me chocolates and a beautiful love letter. So my question for you is, when last did you get a love letter from your friend? Your Bona. Present friends. Later on the day, we decided to just go out and just go and grab some drinks because it wouldn't hurt. So yeah, this was a OOTD. Morning, guys. This is the day after my birthday. I had so much fun yesterday. We had so much fun, but we had to set boundaries or limit the funness that we had because I had a client the next morning. Birthday stress because we didn't book, we didn't make reservations. So it's like now we're going to take chances, and may God be with us. So guys, we are on the way to I guess she's lying. I see him in lane. We are heading to Santon and Bryanston. I don't know if Bryanston's in Santon or what, but yeah, the address mentions Bryanston, Santon, and yeah. See you there. 1, 2, 3, go. Morning, guys. Morning, and happy Sunday. So today it's a beautiful Sunday. It's the 9th of November. And we are going to church. Alright, my friend, I'm not sure if she's joining me. Join them. Yeah, I might go to church with her, then come back. After coming back, we will then head to our second location for the day. Yeah, and we're gonna be celebrating my cousin's birthday. I'm not sure if she's taking along as well or what, but we'll see. Bye. So guys, I am currently doing my makeup. Yeah, today we're gonna be very Elysian. You know, yesterday the time we went to Kalanoki, like we went there around 4, and that's very late. Yeah, we got there at 4. We didn't even take time because we had to be somewhere late on the day. So today we're trying Guti Sibe early, you know? Sibe early so we can take content. Yeah. I'm not gonna do my eyebrows, but I'll just brush them, and yeah, I'll show you guys the results. I hope I don't forget. I hope I don't forget. Yeah, love it loads. Yeah. If I tell you that plans change on this day, you wouldn't believe me. But yep, we ended up not going to church, and we ended up not meeting with my cousin for lunch for her birthday. So we're like, okay, no, since she's no longer coming, let's just move, you know. But the plan was to actually go and she'll actually find us at the venue, but she didn't pitch up, and it was okay, but I was a bit sad because I was willing to celebrate her day. Cheers. Morning, guys. It's a beautiful Monday morning, but I am so sick. Yeah, I've catched flu, and I catched it, when was it? On Friday, on the day of my birthday. And that's because I was walking on the rain. Yeah. So now it's bad. But today we are going for a spa. I'm so sorry, and I hope I'm gonna feel better after that. Yeah. But yo, guys, Paralia was so nice yesterday. Paralia was so good. Like you're in Rauliane, like it's chilled vibes. It's giving Cabo Beach in Cape Town, but yeah, it's like Cabo Beach light. You get me. It's Cabo Beach light, but it was very nice. I won't lie. I enjoyed myself. We really enjoyed ourselves. I won't lie. Yeah. Guys, it's so important to look good when you go out. Like, the confidence I get when I look good. Ugh. And to think that, like, I didn't plan for my birthday. I didn't do anything hectic that sincerely shows that it's my birthday. But my friend was like, no, girl, I'm coming there. We have to celebrate your birthday. Like, chomi, man, I was not planning to do that. I don't know, I'm coming. Yes, listen, I'm coming. That's okay, come, girl, ratlawana bill. So, yeah, that's so cute of her. So, I'm planning to candy cake, yeah, because my other friend is gonna be around, and I didn't want to buy it on Friday because we're learning. But anyway, anyhow, anywho, let me stop talking a lot. Yeah, less of talking, more of actions. Yeah, so today we are heading for a spa treatment, and after that we're gonna be having breakfast. No, not breakfast. Sorry. Yeah, lunch. We're gonna have lunch. I wanna go to pantry. Oh, I'm gonna get pantry, guys, but sakbona if time permits. See you. So guys, we ended up changing. We're no longer going for a spa. Instead, we are going for horse riding because my friend has to leave today, and yeah, she always wanted to try horse riding. So yeah, we're going for horse riding. Hello. Enjoy. I hope me petty my lilas. Yeah, on send it as a, what do you call that? Documents. So send them documents. Change of plans again on this day. We ended up not going for a spa. We ended up not buying a cake because my friend had to leave unexpectedly. So we just tried to do in one. So we just went for horse riding. Then after horse riding, Sakamba so have a lunch. And yeah, I know, friend, it's fine. We can do the spa date together one day. Yeah. But overall, we enjoyed the horse riding. Was amazing. The last time came at Can I overlay something then can I have a hug? You want my own only one day street. So I get down when you look at it. I only lie at home and do a little. Can I have a hug out to down? Okay, sure. You want to laugh at you, my lad. Why you look at it in one? Yeah, my lad. You know about it. One thing about my friend, guys, she's a good storyteller. I'm telling you, 90% of our time, she's the one that tells more stories than I do. Let me use the YouTube procedure. Thank you so much, guys. We have come to the end of my video. See you on the next one.